Knuffle Bunny by Mo Williams. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Trixie. Trixie decided to go to the laundromat with her dad. Trixie and her dad went through many places as they walked to the laundromat. As they walked through the places such as the park, they were at the laundromat. Trixie helped her dad a lot by putting the clothes in the machine and putting money in the slot. Trixie and her dad went home. Then Trixie noticed she was missing something. Trixie tried to communicate with her dad, but her dad didn't understand anything she was saying. Trixie got very upset. Trixie and her dad went home until her mom noticed what was missing. Trixie's family ran back to the laundromat through all the places like past the block and through the park. Trixie and her mom and dad finally arrived at the laundromat. Trixie's dad searched for the missing item, but couldn't find it, so he tried again. Did Trixie find what she was looking for? What was she missing? Read Knuffle Bunny in the Hoover library and find out what happened.